Let's see how can we change tangent of inverse cosine x into an algebraic expression. And the first thing that we have to do is look at this part. Inverse cosine x represents an angle. So we can begin by, let angle theta equals to the inverse cosine x. And we can change this back and forth because I can now apply the regular cosine on both sides, because this way I can cancel the regular cosine and the inverse cosine, and I'm talking about cosine of an angle is equal to x. And we have to refer back cosine, the definition of cosine in the right triangle. This means we have adjacent over hypotenuse. And we're talking about cosine of an angle is equal to x. Well, in this case, we can take x as the adjacent side, but we can put x as x over 1. So we know x is the adjacent side, 1 is the hypotenuse. And we can draw a right triangle. And the right triangle that we should draw is something like this. And just draw this kind of right triangle every single time so it can be consistent. And I can put the angle right here. This is the angle theta. Adjacent, which is right here. According to my angle choice, theta is here, so adjacent will be down here for the x. And hypotenuse will be 1. So that will be the setup. We also need to figure out this side right here, the opposite side. But in the right triangle, as soon as we figure out two sides, the third side can be found by the Pythagorean theorem. So we can call this a, and we can do something like a squared plus x squared is equal to 1 squared. So I can move the x squared to the other side. This is a squared equals to 1 minus x squared. 1 squared is 1. And take the square root on both sides. A will be square root of 1 minus x squared. Take the positive square root for this. So for this side, the a is just square root of 1 minus x squared. And now look at this picture, and we can come back here. To figure out tangent of this angle is a theta. We said so right here. Tangent of the angle, we can use this triangle for it. And tangent is what? In the right triangle, tangent means the opposite over the adjacent. So in this case, we are going to get the opposite is this, square root of 1 minus x squared on the top over the adjacent is x. And this is it. This is how we can change a composition of a regular trig function with an inverse trig function back to algebraic expressions.